लिखें। 28 है ना आज। लिखें, रेडी। 80 है। Any sanction granted by the federal government for investment in an individual undertaking shall be subject to the following conditions. To such other conditions as the federal government may specify, namely when the foreign private investment is by a person who, being a citizen of Pakistan, is also the citizen of any other country, he shall deposit the entire amount of repatriable foreign investment in a foreign exchange account in Pakistan for its subsequent use for the purchase of machinery and other fixed assets of the undertaking, full stop, where the federal government considers it necessary in the public interest to take over the management of an industrial undertaking having foreign private investment, or to acquire the ownership of the shares of citizen of Pakistan in the capital of such industrial undertaking, any agreement approved by the federal government relating to such undertakings entered into between a foreign investor or creditor and any person in Pakistan shall not be affected by such taking over or acquisition, full stop. Foreign capital or foreign private investment in an industrial undertaking shall not be acquired except under due process of law, which provides for adequate compensation, therefore to be settled in the currency of the country of origin of capital or investment, and specifies the principles on and the manner in which compensation is to be determined and given, full stop. Foreign nationals employed with the approval of the federal government in any industrial undertaking having foreign private investment may make remittances for the maintenance of their dependents in accordance with the rules, regulations or orders issued by the federal government or the State Bank of Pakistan, full stop. The foreign government may allow such concessions to industrial undertakings having foreign private investment as may be admissible under any law for the time being in force, full stop. Foreign private investment shall not be subject to other or more burdensome taxes on income than those applicable to investment made in similar circumstances by the citizens of Pakistan, full stop. Foreign private investment shall be allowed all the tax concessions which may be admissible on the basis of any agreement for avoidance of double taxation which the government of Pakistan may have entered into within the government of the country of origin of such investment, full stop. Industrial undertakings having foreign private investment shall be accorded the same treatment as is accorded to similar industrial undertakings having no such investment in the application of laws, rules and regulations relating to importation and exportation of goods, full stop. If any difficulty arises in giving effect to any provision of this act, the federal government may make such order, not inconsistent with provisions of this act, as may appear to it to be necessary for the purpose of removing the difficulty, provided that no such power shall be exercised after the expiry of 1 year from the commencement of this act, full stop. The federal government may, by notification in the official gazette, may make rules for carrying out the purposes of this act, and such rules may, among other matters, provide for the employment of Pakistani and foreign nationals in industrial undertakings having foreign private investment, full stop. वालेकुम सलाम.